how to install benefits by WEX app. So just tap get and then double click to install, and then yeah, you will be able to install this app. Here it is, 3.3 thousand ratings. Save time and hassles with benefits by WEX. Keep tabs on all your benefit accounts by quickly checking your balances and details using our secure mobile app. With real-time access and intuitive navigation to all your important account information, our app includes the following features. Simply log into the intuitive app using your same health benefits website username and password. No sensitive account information is ever stored on your mobile device. Use Touch ID or Face ID. Connects with you with the details. Quickly check available balances 24/7. View charts summarizing accounts. View claims requiring receipts. Click to call or email customer service. View your statements and notifications. Scan product barcodes to determine their eligibility. So yeah, that's the idea here. You can see it has not that high ratings, but not that low. So you can just open it up. For some reason, it just says unable to establish connection. So there's some kind of a bug. So you can reach out to their support service. But yeah, this is just to bring your attention that this app exists. It's quite high in the chart actually. So yeah. Some people write, as you can see, there are still some, bugs and issues. So yeah, but there you have it.